take ko lang dyan. Of course, this is just me. I can't speak for my group mates. Hindi ako sila. But it's not the first time na nangyari yung mga ganyan. Hindi ko naman din kontrolado yung mga preferences, but I feel like siguro minsan may mga times na dapat kuwari, for example I'm talking as Josh, and hindi ko alam kung ano yung syempre yung naiisip din nung iba kung agree sila dito, but at the same time di rin ako makapagsabi kung okay sila o hindi. Pero yung pag may ganun, parang you should let them do their thing. Of course, when it comes to fashion, their appearances, ako, sino man sa SB19, kung ano yung gusto nila. Kung si Pao, di ba, siya, papalda, si Stel. I think this is not the first time that it happened. And Ken, Justin, or me, maybe we have different, siguro, beliefs and perspective when it comes to things like this. Nakikita ko sa dami nagsasabi kamusta, pero you shouldn't, siguro iwasan nyo yung, or alam niyo yun, if you, kung di nyo may di kayo trip kung ano yung ginagawa kuwari kay Ken, I feel like dapat, especially when it comes to appearances and fashion, you should let people express themselves. Ayun, kasi ano rin siya kung mangyari sa akin yun, parang in a way I appreciate siguro the concern, pero that's still my body. Ganun yung take ko sa mga ganyan. Yun, parang at least, diba? I know we guys are, of course, very approachable lahat, or merong mga kanya-kanyang siguro let's keep it healthy. Yun, mahirap kasi sabi ko nga, diba, it wouldn't hurt at least to say nice things. Kung merong hindi swak sa preferences nyo, okay lang yun. Kasi kumbaga, wag na kayo mandamay. Yun na siguro. Nasa inyo na yun di ba? Kahit sino sa amin, feeling ko, kahit ako, may hindi kayo gusto sa akin, may hindi kayo gusto kay Justin, may hindi kayo gusto sa kay Stel or what, kung ano man ang nila, pwede nyo namang sabihin din nicely, but I understand, hindi naman may iwasan yung mga ganyan. Pero maybe hindi naman ako makapagsabi kung sino yung okay o ano. Malay natin medyo, diba, iba-iba yung way ng mga tao mag-cope up. Ako honestly, it's the same thing. Hindi na ako active sa social media, mga ganyan. Ayoko na rin nagtitingin masyado. And most probably because I'm busy, diba? I have a lot of stuff to do. Kaysa sayangin ko yung oras ko magbasa ng negative stuff. Pero may mga dadaan pa rin minsan, may mga di ka may iwasan. Pero dapat siguro kahit pa paano, diba? Especially with what we do. Kung wala naman kaming natatapakan, lahat naman ginagawa lang yung thing nila. Sabihin natin specifically for Ken, diba? Wala naman siyang sinasagasaan. Hayaan nyo lang yung tao. Meron din kanya-kanyang buhay at kanya-kanyang ways of expressing themselves as well as the others. Kung natatawa nga ako minsan, di ba? Parang, kailangan nyo pa compare or anything, no? If they want to do what they want to do, they'll do it. Kung anong gusto nilang gawin nila. Kung ako, ito, hati yung buhok ko, ganyan. This is my life, this is my hair. I mean, let them do their stuff. Yun lang. And I'm not saying everyone, but maybe huwag kayong magsabihan ng mga, I feel like learn to reflect. Everyone should learn to reflect. If you feel like may mga nasabi na kayo hindi maganda sa other people, baka hindi nyo alam, di ba? Hindi rin nakakaganda yung mga ganun. Ano lang tayo lahat dito, dapat appreciate na lang natin kung ano yung meron. Minsan, hindi tayo aware, tayo na pala yung nakakasira ng mga dapat hindi naman nasisira. Pero at the same time, baka naman alam mo yun, it's okay to be emotional but controlled siguro. Be aware of the bigger picture kasi hindi naman natin nakikita lahat. Hindi nyo naman kami nakakasama araw-araw, hindi naman kayo makapagsabi kung ano yung dapat tama at mali. There are things na happening for a reason. Maybe yung iba nadjudge nyo agad sa isang clip, sa isang video, but what about the bigger pictures, diba? Yun lang. Hindi nyo dapat i-judge sa ganun. Masyadong ano yun, masyadong mababaw. Well, that's my take. Especially, parang may nakita rin ako kay Stel before, mga ganun, or kay Pao, diba? Or even sa lahat, feeling ko naman lahat kami, di lang naman ito but yeah, para kaming ruleta na sino yung mabubunot, ganun. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Meron kayo learn to live life, diba? Of course, di maiwasan yung mga misunderstandings, but it doesn't mean na mas tama kayo, mas malito. Ito yung preference nyo. Ito na yung dapat maging kalabasan ng mundo. But ayun, ano tayo? Good vibes. Okay naman kami. Yun. But hindi ko rin sabi kung okay lahat. Kasi, di ba? Kanya-kanyang battles yan. Personally, okay naman.
Our Josh Cullen defending his brothers from hate comment from all the bashers who try to spread the negative comments, who try to spread negative vibe, talk about negative things about a whole group, and he's saving. Josh Cullen is talking for his brothers, Pablo, Stel, Justin, Kane. He's saving them. He's defending them, and he's bashing all the haters. A lot of people want to say a lot of things about them. We all know, like, of course, if 100% people are there, 95% people love SB19, and the 5% people, they will always talk negative about SB19 no matter what. Even if they do good things, these people will say, the 5% people I'm talking about, they will always talk shit about SB19. So we shouldn't focus on them, but hear Josh Cullen talking about them, because sometimes you have to speak up, because if you don't say anything, these people might think in a different way, because they never stop. So it's been doing their own things. I don't know why those 5% people, why they're always pulling SB19's leg. I have no idea, but I hope they will stop talking about SB19, because SB19 doing a lot of not a lot of, like, they have already done a lot of good things, and they are doing a lot. So we should praise them, we should support them, and I want to say personally, I want to say that don't focus on those haters. Like, just leave them alone. Let them do their things. You know what I'm saying?